never lose your Wild Rags slide ever again. I'm going to walk you right through it. This is our Hondo by Cowtown Wild Rags. This is the 36-inch size, and with all Cowtown Wild Rags, I always show you guys both sides of our silk because we are double-sided full color print. If you don't know why that's important, let me show you why. Let me show you how most silk scarf companies print. So many of them do a one-sided print. You think you're buying double-sided, but a lot of times you buy one-sided print and you don't even know until you already have it. Believe me, I know, because I made that mistake so many times. But you get a one-sided print and then the backside does not match. It's because this is unprinted. It's not finished. It's incomplete. But at Cowtown Wild Rags, we always have that double-sided full color print. We're not going to leave you hanging with a pale, dull backside. So I've got my Hondo, and I'm going to show you how not to ever lose that Wild Rag slide. How many times have you been wearing a slide, you look down and it's hanging way down here, and you realize, oh my goodness, I almost lost it. Or you have lost it. It is such a pain to know that you could almost lose some of your precious slides. So I'm just rolling up my Wild Rag. I've got it at the 36-inch size. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just easily put it on here, and I'm going to grab a slide. And let me show you. So I'm going to take just a turquoise slide. You can see. And I'm just going to put those two ends through the slide. So I'm just gently moving it up to where I want it, where I want my slide to go. And I could wear it all the way up if I wanted to. I could actually leave it like this. This one is pretty tight. But you know, you've had those ones that are just, they slide, they're big. But this one actually has pretty good hold. I could actually leave it like this. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to lock it in so I don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to take one end. You see how this scarf is around my neck? It creates like a collar. I'm going to go up around that collar, and you see how that created a loop? I'm going to bring that end through. Go up through the collar and just bring that end through. And then what you can do is you can just pull it tight then. And that locks it in. There is no way that slide is going anywhere. It is locked in. So this is a great way to wear those precious ones, that beautiful turquoise. I've used my mom's class ring. I would hate to lose her class ring because I could never replace that. So this is a great way to make sure it's secure and safe and never lose your Wild Rag slide again.